Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to AI Land Studio tutorial 110. And today's topic is how to add an orbiting microdots animation in Terraform diagram in AI Land Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you would see a feature called cloud architecture. Please click on it, and the next pop-up you need to select system architecture. Because in AirLine Studio, we use system architecture diagrams to generate Terraform diagrams. I have already generated the diagram for my use case, which is how to provisionize a cloud platform such as AWS and all of its components from VPC, EC2, load balancer, everything. Today we are talking about the animation, so kindly go to the animation panel and click on the orbiting microdots animation, and you can see that dots have started moving around all the edges and orbiting around all the edges to showcase the complete flow of it. If you want to update the number of dots, you can do it from here. If you want to update the orbit radius, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot size, you can do it from here. If you want to update the dot color, you can do it from here. If you want to change the travel speed, you can use this bar. If you want to change the orbit speed, you can do it from here. So basically, adding a orbiting microdot animation in AirLine Studio helps you to make your Terraform diagrams more interactive and visually engaging.